Ignite your VBS with the everlasting message of Jesus. This year, give your campers the ultimate gift, a clear understanding of the gospel, an opportunity to trust in Jesus, and a burning passion to spread his word. Our Spread the Word kit is designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing VBS or your church curriculum, adding a profound and impactful gospel punch to your program. Our heart's desire is for every child to experience multiple gospel moments during their time with you. From leaders' guides, host scripts, videos, small group leader scripts, and gospel sharing tools, we provide a clear path for your campers to hear and believe in Jesus, leaving your camp with a newfound relationship with him and readiness to go and share his message. On day 1, kids will hear the gospel through a fun, vibrant, and clear video presentation. Later, in an intimate and conversational small group setting, they will receive a personal invitation to choose to believe in and follow Jesus. On day 2, kids will deepen their understanding and confidence in their newfound faith. They will learn to use a gospel track, empowering them to share what they know about Jesus with family and friends back home. The purpose of the Spread the Word kit is twofold: to foster a deeper relationship between their campers and Jesus, and to send them home with eager hearts ready to introduce their loved ones to the Savior. Partner with us today and inspire your campers to believe deeply in Jesus and boldly proclaim his name. Let's spread the word together. Click the link in the description box to get your kit today.